Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search filters on TikTok. Open up TikTok, tap on the plus button in the very bottom. Tap on effects at the bottom left corner. And here you can see some different options: trending, new, another feature, funny, green screen, and different filters. So if you want to find specific filters, for example, you tap on search here and then enter name of filter, for example shape, and here you will see eyebrow shape and random shape crop. No, for example, you want to add filter eyebrow shape. Then when you selected this filter, as you can see, you can add this filter to favorite. Just tap on this icon at the left here. You add to favorite this. If you want to find this filter fast, you just open your favorite. As you can see, here is favorite filter, and you can see this filter for fast. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.